I think.
Oh, is she? Yeah, yeah. Still got a lot of colour though.
So there you are, that was a little walkthrough of some of the birds that Newark had to offer. Obviously it's going to vary between each show, it depends on what each breeder takes. Yeah, just a few ideas of what there were. Of course, they're not the only species, there were so many others. There was loads of new colour canaries, there was a lot more variety of British, there was loads of options of different coloured budgies, parakeets, different species of parakeets. There was always the ground birds as well. There was all sorts. So really good variety at the show, and a real, you know, range of different types of birds to have, whether you're adding it to your aviary, whether you're bringing it into a bird room to breed like this, or whatever is your situation. I'd also like to say thank you to any fans of the channel who came over for a chat, asked for a photo. So here's a photo of myself, Big John and Little John. Now, I'm not sure which John was more excited to meet me, whether it was the son or the father, but either way, they were both lovely guys, and it was great having a chat to them, having a look at the birds that they took, or whatever was left of them early on in the morning, and then having a look at what they picked up as well. So just, you know, thank you everybody who did come over for a chat, come over for a photo. It was nice meeting you all, and I look forward to it again soon. So perhaps you're asking, Ollie, what did you pick up? Did you pick up any birds? Well, we didn't pick up any birds from this show. I was looking at a couple of natives, but I decided not to in the end. We've got enough of birds as it is now, and especially with breeding season literally being less than 2 weeks away, I decided that it wasn't the right thing to bring any new birds in. But of course, we didn't go away empty-handed, so we did bring back a few supplies. So we've picked up some Aviform Pro Light. They got an offer on buy one get one free, so I picked up 500 grams of these. This is just a sort of probiotic, prebiotic and electrolytes, ideal for bringing in any new stock, but also for regularly giving the birds. It's good for the intestinal health of them, so all good there. I always take the opportunity to pick up some cheap drinkers as well. There's usually offers on drinkers, feeders and stuff like that, so when I'm at the show, if I'm not ordering it from something like Direct Bird Products, and I could do with some on short notice, you know, we're at the show, I'll pick up some. So got a couple of 100 centilitre drinkers here as well. Of course, with the breeding season being only round the corner and we have hawfinches, we're going to need live food, so I picked up a kilo of mealworms as well, all live mealworms. I'll prepare them, whether that's for the freezer or whether that's feeding them immediately live, but either way, picked up them as well, usually good prices at a show. And then finally, I got a brand new Norwich show cage. Saw the opportunity, lovely cage, it is brand new, and it was a good price, and I just thought, I can't resist that. We've got some Norwich, we're going to be breeding some Norwich, I hope, this year. So if we can show a Norwich at the end of the year in the show season, we've got a cage for it. So keep your eye out on the show bench later this year, in the autumn. We will have some Norwich, or a Norwich on there. So yeah, we got this, pretty pleased with it, so let's go. Anyway guys, if you have enjoyed the video and you'd like to see more, please do subscribe down below so you don't miss any of my future content. Please smash a like on this video as well if you have enjoyed it, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any more of my future videos. And again, please do come along to these shows. It always helps to support your local shows and those that might not be more local to you. There's a huge show day, a huge sale day, similar to Stafford, and it's really good fun. Pick up some new stock from there, trade some new stock, whether you're taking orders for people and reserves or whatever, and pick up a bits of equipment as well. Always good fun, so please do support your local shows. And anyway, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much for watching.